So hi guys, you have seen my part 1. So here I am just connecting the power. Here see, we just put the transformer back to the circuit, and now I'm connecting the power. Just connect the power please. Now see, now this one is on. So here, if you can check at point 4, I will just make you sure the point. Let's come here. It's DC. Put the DC. Now the supply is coming to 4 and 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you can see here. It's negative because I connected the negative probe. It's 14 volts here. The LEDs are on and everything is okay. It's ready to go. So I hope you like my videos. If you have any question, and you can just ask me, I'll just give you feedback on that one. And for this time, just subscribe my channel. Thank you.